Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting the essentials: your iPhone model, IMEI or serial number, purchase date, and a receipt. Once done, decide what coverage you need: accidental versus theft versus loss, and note monthly cost and deductible. Make sure to compare 3 sources: carrier plans, Apple Care Plus, and reputable third-party insurers, because price alone can hide exclusions. After you shortlist options, prepare any required photos or diagnostics. This speeds enrollment and helps if a pre-approval inspection is needed. You now fill out the application. Enter IMEI, your ID, payment method, and billing address. Make sure to upload the receipt and current photos showing the phone's condition. Some policies require a quick diagnostic or remote check. Once submitted, expect a verification window. This is common. It confirms eligibility and locks in your start date. While waiting, read the fine print so you understand waiting periods, per claim limits, and whether loss or theft needs a police report before a claim will be accepted. You finish by activating the policy when you receive confirmation. Save the policy number and digital ID. Make sure your billing is set to recur if necessary, otherwise coverage can lapse. If you ever file a claim, document damage with timestamps, submit required forms quickly, and keep repair receipts. If a claim is denied, don't stop. Request the written reason, gather missing evidence, and file an appeal or ask to speak to a supervisor within their stated timeframe. This often resolves procedural denials.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.